Alright, quick question for you. Have you ever needed to turn a video into text, but the transcription tools charge you per minute? Yeah, me too. And the worst part, if you're working with long videos, podcasts, webinars, or even a batch of YouTube videos, those costs add up fast. $20, $50, sometimes hundreds of dollars a month just to convert speech to text. But what if I told you there's a tool that lets your own computer do the work? No monthly payments, no limits, no sending your files to third-party servers. Let me show you something interesting. Today we're talking about a powerful desktop software called Fusion Scribe. This tool lets you download videos, transcribe them, and analyze the content with AI all in one place. And the crazy part? You can transcribe as many videos as you want. Seriously, unlimited. So here's how it works. First, you simply paste a video link. That could be from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Vimeo, basically anywhere online. Then you click Transcribe. That's it. Fusion Scribe automatically downloads the video, extracts the audio, and converts the speech into clean, readable text. Step 1, paste link. Step 2, click Transcribe. Step 3, get the transcript. And it's powered by the speech recognition model OpenAI Whisper, which is known for its incredibly accurate transcription, which means you can transcribe videos in over 100 languages and even translate them into English. But honestly, the transcription feature is just the beginning. The real power of Fusion Scribe is what you can do with the transcripts afterward. Inside the software, there's an Ask AI feature. You can send the transcript directly to AI and ask it to do things like summarize the video into key points, create YouTube chapters automatically, turn long videos into blog posts, extract quotes or highlights, even combine multiple videos into one new script. And if you're not sure what to ask, Fusion Scribe comes with over 80 built-in AI prompts ready to use. So instead of copying transcripts into different tools, everything happens inside one workflow. Now here's a feature content creators are going to love. It's called bulk transcribe. This allows you to paste multiple video links at once. You could drop in a full YouTube playlist, a list of TikTok videos, or several podcast recordings, and Fusion Scribe will download and transcribe them all automatically. So imagine analyzing 20 videos in minutes instead of hours. For example, you could grab a bunch of TikTok videos in your niche, transcribe them, and ask the AI to generate a brand new script based on the best ideas. That alone can save tons of research time. Now, another cool feature is the video link extractor. You can paste things like a YouTube playlist, a web page, or even a Google search result, and Fusion Scribe will scan the page and automatically collect all the video links it finds. Then, you can send them directly to the transcription tool. Pretty slick. And when your transcript is ready, you can export it in several formats: CSV files, subtitle files like SRT, JSON data, or simple, clean text. Perfect if you're editing videos, creating captions, writing articles, or building research notes. Now here's something that makes this tool even more interesting. Fusion Scribe includes a commercial license, which means you can actually offer transcription services to clients and keep 100% of the profit. So, technically, this could pay for itself pretty quickly. And because the transcription happens on your own computer, you don't have to upload sensitive recordings to random websites. Everything stays local and private. So, if you're a content creator, marketer, researcher, or anyone who works with video and audio content, Fusion Scribe can turn hours of spoken content into searchable, reusable text in just a few clicks. And honestly, once you start using transcripts to repurpose content, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If you'd like to check out Fusion Scribe for yourself, you can find more details in the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.